Out of the article which stuck with me was the concept of heal Baragwanath. What I'd like you to talk us through is, what does it mean to heal Baragwanath in the context of an engineering project?
Okay. So our project focuses on the hospital infrastructure. And what we mean by heal Baragwanath is addressing its core issues. Infrastructure being the foundation of providing any sort of service. And in this context, we're talking about the facilities like the operating theatres, ICU, or the critical facilities that are reliant and dependent on the infrastructure to provide the service.
Now, one hears, if I may interrupt, scary stories about operations being done under torchlight or cell phone light. I mean, is that real? Is that a real problem?
So that is a real problem. So at the moment, the hospital backup power system is not set up in a way that has full redundancy, which means even though there's generators running in the hospital, when there's a power failure, there will be interruptions. And our goal here is to make sure that there's absolutely no interruptions. Basically, the hospital staff operating inside the hospital should not even realize there was a power failure until after they finished the operation.
So if you take us through the project, I mean, as you guys as Outreach Engineering get involved in that project, and I imagine it's very hard to coordinate that with the staff at the hospital, the province and so forth, but what are the stages that you would go through typically to resolve this kind of a challenge?
Okay, so we typically work with the Department of Infrastructure Development, and they're the ones that actually perform the maintenance and take care of the buildings. And so we approach them to assist them with their problems, and they do have a maintenance team on site, and that includes engineers, electrical artisans, and technicians and inspectors. And that's who we typically work with. So it's a very collaborative project. We work with them every step of the way. And in a sense that when we finish this project, they will know exactly what we did, how we did it, why we did it. And that's kind of how we approach our projects. And we include not just the hospital stakeholders, but also our donors, because our donors also, for peace of mind and out of generosity as well, contribute the engineers, and there's a lot of skills to be combined together in a collaborative effort.
So I think we're looking forward to hearing more about this project as it grows and develops. Thank you very much.
Thank you.